Hello everyone. Know it. Everything you need to know. The content in this video is taken from www.knowitnotes.blogspot.com. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurologic disorder that causes the brain to shrink, atrophy, and brain cells to die. It is named after Dr. Alois Alzheimer, who first described the condition in 1906. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia, a continuous decline in thinking, behavioral and social skills that affects a person's ability to function independently. Symptoms. Memory loss is a key feature, and this tends to be one of the first symptoms to develop. The early signs of the disease include forgetting recent events or conversations. As the disease progresses, a person with Alzheimer's disease will develop severe memory impairment and lose the ability to carry out everyday tasks. Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease include memory loss, cognitive deficits, problems with recognition, problems with speaking, reading, or writing, personality or behavior changes. Cause. One of the main features of the condition is the presence of plaques and tangles in the brain. Another feature is a loss of connection between the nerve cells, or neurons, in the brain. These features mean that information cannot pass easily between different areas of the brain or between the brain and the muscles or organs. Treatment. There is no treatment that cures Alzheimer's disease or alters the disease process in the brain. In advanced stages of the disease, complications from severe loss of brain function, such as dehydration, malnutrition or infection, result in death. Medications may temporarily improve or slow progression of symptoms. These treatments can sometimes help people with Alzheimer's disease maximize function and maintain independence for a time. If you want video about any topic, comment below. Don't forget to like this video. Hit the subscribe button.